Good morning, friends and family. Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. I'm back, and today's video I'm going to be kind of explaining where I've been and also doing my makeup because I have a family party to go to. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Also, excuse my tired appearance. I don't know why I'm so tired today, but that's what the vibe is, okay? I have this large pimple right here and it's killing my vibe, to say the least. So I kind of just wanted to explain like everything that's been going on, where I've been, like why I haven't uploaded and all that stuff, because you guys deserve to know. I've explained this multiple times over like Instagram stuff, but I feel like I haven't really explained on YouTube. Basically, school has been so hard for me this semester. Thank God it's over. Oh, hi little miss. You're scared of my balloon. I mean, it's okay. Oh god, you really This school year was like extremely difficult for me because, well, basically everything was difficult for me this semester because I lost motivation for literally everything in my life. For instance, obviously YouTube, and then even Instagram. Really everything in my life I did not have fun doing anymore, and I don't know what that means, or like if I was depressed or something. I literally was never home this semester. I was like always at my boyfriend's house or just like trying to get away, because if you guys don't know, my parents are getting a divorce, and so it's extremely difficult. And I know like a lot of families go through this, but it's hard when both your parents are still in the same household. That's how my life's been going. I don't want you to think that I just like got lazy or anything. From now on is looking up because I don't have school next semester because I'm mostly online. Hopefully good things will come my way next semester. So today is Christmas Eve and I'm spending it with my dad and his family. My mom is with her family, so I don't get to see her on Christmas Eve, which is sad. But ever since I stopped school, I've been really motivated with YouTube. I know it doesn't show, but like I've been like trying to figure out like what videos I want to film for you guys, because also another struggle that I've been having is like I feel like everything I've been uploading is the same old thing. So if you guys have any suggestions of anything different you want to see from me, or if you guys like what I've been uploading, or like if you guys want, I don't know, literally any other thing, like please comment that below, because I'd love to know, because I want to film. I feel like I want to go for like a glowy look today, but I feel like my skin is not saying that today. No, you're not going outside. Where do you think you're going, little miss? Next, I'm going to bronze up my face. I use liquid bronzer because I feel like it still gives me like the glowiness that I need. A lot of people were wondering if Q and I were still dating, but yes, we are. We're going on 7 months in a week or so. We're going to Portland, Oregon in 2 days, which I'm really excited for because we've been waiting for this trip forever, and it was kind of like a spontaneous trip. One day we're just like, let's like go somewhere, and then we're like, okay, like where? And then we planned on going to Seattle, but then we're like and then so we like chose Portland, which is like basically the same thing, but like not. Yeah, we're gonna try out like new restaurants and play it by ear a little bit. I know like a lot of people like look down upon like traveling and like playing it by ear and like not having a plan, but like I mean we have like a plan, but we don't have like an itinerary basically. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. It's my first trip with a boyfriend alone, and like we never get out of Orange County really, and so it'll be nice to kind of get away a little bit, because I feel like that's also what I need, is a little bit of a getaway. Another thing that I want to talk about is body image, because that is something that is really hard for me, and I know a lot of other people out there. Basically, I've had a lot of like body image issues the past, I don't even know, probably like ever since I graduated high school. It's just because I've been hanging out with more like people on social media, and like hanging out with people from social media is a little bit hard because everyone's constantly worried about their size and if they look good enough, or if that picture, if they edited it well and stuff like that. And I'm a very toxic place unless you find the right people, and luckily I have found the right people in the social media industry that I've really connected with. I call like some of my best friends. Lucky I have those people, but like there definitely are people out there that are so consumed up in that world that I just don't like to be around anymore. It just sucks, but like I guess it's a way of life. If they really cared about me or friendship, they would reach out to me, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. I didn't realize how toxic it was until I was like fully developed into it. And sister, that is some unhealthy shit, is social media. So basically I don't like to involve myself around that a lot unless it's with certain people. One question that I've been seeing a lot from you guys is about like virginity and stuff like that, and you guys are worried if I lost mine or anything, and like you guys are like saying like, at what age do you think it's appropriate to like lose yours and all that stuff. And so I figured I would just answer it because I feel like nobody talks about it, and I feel like as social media influencers, I hate that word by the way, as people that you watch, I feel like you guys like almost look up to us in a way, like as a big sister. And obviously I get advice from my older sister, so why not give advice for you guys? And I also give advice to my younger sister, so I feel like it almost like just comes in hand in hand. I lost my virginity when I was 19. I'm 20 right now, if you guys don't know, but I just turned 20, so. But yeah, like all throughout high school and like every guy that I've like had a relationship with prior to my boyfriend right now, like I was just like, oh, I don't want to do it. Like I don't feel like this is gonna last that long. And I was just never really secure in that relationship or those relationships, which is like sad, but I guess what I'm trying to say is like, you know when you know what I'm saying? So I was dating my boyfriend for, I want to say 2 months. So I was best friends with my boyfriend prior for like 5 months, I would say. And I developed like a really good relationship with him. I developed trust. I knew how he was and how he was with like prior relationships and stuff. People say like, oh, you don't really know when you're ready, but like you do. It should be something that's very mutual and loving. That's basically my 2 cents on it. And to be safe, because 2019 is not the year for STDs and pregnancies. The makeup is done. It's kind of just natural because I don't really do anything else with my makeup. But now we're going to do something with this hair and pick an outfit. Okay guys, so this is the outfit. I didn't really do anything with my hair. I just left it straight. And then this top is from Urban. These pants are from Urban. And then my shoes are just Doc Martens. That's my Christmas Eve kind of get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Basically all you have to know is that I'm back and I'm motivated and I'll be fine, okay? I'll be fine. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.